you allow only numbers in the text field. We want to allow only numbers in the text field. For example, mobile number. Even space also can be given. 98 space, 48 space, 93 space. So numbers and space to be allowed. So let's use the same example, or in our next case, that is also, this one is nothing but key press event. We use key events, key press. What is that? Allow only numbers in a text field, text box. So we got an article, input type is equal to text, ID is equal to ID of that. So ID is equal to mobile underscore number. So mobile number, size is equal to 20, size is equal to 20. Placeholder, so give some messages, placeholder, enter mobile number. So in a mobile number, no special characters, or maybe some special characters, plus 91, you can allow plus also. Enter mobile number. Plus 91 spaces or hyphen also we can allow. That's up to you. So input type is, so in our example, it should allow only numbers, and it should allow only space. So key event only allow only numbers in the text box, numbers and space in the text box. So restricting only this thing. So we got our page open with the live server. Allow only numbers and space in a text box. So this is a mobile number. So placeholder is equal to enter mobile number. So some properties can be applied. So we got the style. So inside the style, hash mobile underscore number, hash mobile underscore number. So border, no borders. We'll provide some box hyphen shadow, 0, 0, 10 pixel black. So we apply a padding of 10 pixel, apply a font size of 20 pixel. So all these things we are applying. So we'll apply some border hyphen radius of. So use all these things in a real application. In a real application, you apply that. So enter mobile number, padding, all the things are there. So we'll apply some background color of some aqua, antique, any of these colors you are able to apply. So some color we applied. Enter mobile number, and by default the focus should be on that. Auto focus. So now you are able to enter anything. So what is that? Same previous lesson only. So we will have some script. Let's get the reference of that element, or we will say, okay, let txt mobile is equal to, get the reference of that element. So get element by ID, or get query selector, anything. So what is the ID of that? Mobile underscore number. Mobile underscore numbers. We got the reference of that. If that mobile number not is not equal to null, register an event. Or you can say, what is that we have done in the previous case? We are registering the event handler, like add event listener. So in this case, what we do is on key press is equal to check data. So we are calling a function check data. Check data is a function for when it will be called on key press. So whenever key press event is occurring, it is calling the check data functions. So this time we will do it as a function. Function check data is a function. We can use arrow function also. In each use cases we are implementing in a different way. So we got function check data. What is that we need to do? You get that particular key code, char code or key code you need to get, which character you have pressed. So for that purpose, we use either char code or key code. So now we need to identify the ASCII value of 0 to 9. We should get the ASCII values of 0 to 9. So for that purpose, console.log event dot key code. We are just displaying the key code and also the key character also. So event dot key char. So what is the corresponding character as well as the key code? Both the things we are just displaying. Now coming to this page, this is what the page, inspect element, console. I'm entering a character capital A. It's coming as undefined. So the method is char code. What is that? Char. So event dot, you will just apply that event first. So what is that property to get the corresponding char? So console.log event. So when you display that event, we will get that property to be used. I'm typing capital A, key. We use the method key code, all that properties are coming. So key. So console.log event.key, which character you pressed at that time, and also key code. A97. So what is the characters? Allowed characters should be 0. 0 means 48. 9 means 57. The ASCII value of 0, 48. ASCII value of 9, 57. Space we know it is 32. So allow only 48 to 57 characters. So what is that we need to do? So if event.key or let ASCII or any key you can say, let n is equal to, or let char key is equal to event.key code or char code, event.key code, get the ASCII value of the character pressed. So when you are pressing that to get the ASCII value of the character pressed, to get the ASCII value of the character pressed. So the character values of 0 to 9, char 0, ASCII, what is ASCII? Oh, we removed that. Get the values. I put 0, 48. ASCII 48. And if you press 9, 57. Char 9 is nothing but ASCII 57. And space we know, space is nothing but 32. And also we may have to enter plus also, plus and hyphen. So char plus, what is ASCII value of plus? 43. Plus 43. And also normally how we write the phone number plus 91, then we may provide some hyphen also. So what is the value of hyphen? ASCII, all these characters to be allowed. So hyphen 45. So these are the characters to be entered while entering the mobile number. If not, don't allow. If not, don't allow. So first thing, ASCII, brackets and all you should give correctly. ASCII greater than or equal to 48 and ASCII less than or equal to 57. Allow this, or it may be 32. ASCII is equal to 32 for space, or we should provide ASCII is equal to 43. 43 is for what? Plus symbol. Correct? ASCII or ASCII is equal to 45 hyphen. So this is what we are entering. So if the characters you have entered is not belongs to any of these things, event dot, we want to prevent that. So event dot prevent default. So we are using event dot prevent default, don't allow. So this is how we are doing the validation. This is how we are doing the validation. Now let's come to this. Enter this. So you enter some character. ASCII is not defined. Line number 42. Okay, not ASCII, right? So it's nothing but char key. We are mentioning it as char key. So you change it as ASCII. Based on the previous example, I use this term ASCII. Now we see small a. We don't want to display that message. This is only for our reference we are using. To get the ASCII value, A. Not allowed. It is not showing that. If you enter number, it is showing. So let us load this page. Plus allowed 91 hyphen allowed 98 space is allowed 48 space 93 46 46. If you enter any other characters, special characters, not allowed. Alphabets, not allowed. So this is one way of doing the validation. So our page is allowing only special, only numbers, space, plus and hyphen to be allowed. Allow only numbers and space. Not only space, we'll make some changes here. Allow only numbers, comma space, comma plus and hyphen in a text box. For entering the mobile number and also some validation as plus 91 space 9848934646. This is what one example we are providing. Allow to enter only that. Don't allow any other characters inside this. So this is what key press event we talk about. This is what the key press events. To allow only numbers. So these two cases what we discussed is very important. So most of the cases that happens, all are very important, but these two cases normally happens. Allowing, based on this, whatever restrictions are required, you can apply